Welcome to our in-depth assessment of Bybit Exchange, the rapidly expanding cryptocurrency platform that promises to provide investors with lightning-fast trading and secure transactions. But with so many exchanges available, how can you be sure that Bybit is safe and trustworthy? In this video, we will see what distinguishes Bybit from other exchanges, including its innovative trading features, devoted customer support, and cutting-edge security. From there, we'll examine the potential risks and benefits of trading on Bybit and provide an honest evaluation of whether this exchange is a good choice for your cryptocurrency investments. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Stay in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comments section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. What is Bybit Exchange? Bybit is a derivative exchange for cryptocurrencies that enables high-leverage trading of futures and perpetual contracts. The year 2018 marked the beginning of its operations, and Singapore is home to its headquarters. Bybit has seen tremendous growth in popularity over the past several years, thanks to the accessibility of its trading platform, the high liquidity of its market, and the low trading cost it charges. The Bybit also has its own token named BIT. Features. The following is a list of qualities that Bybit Exchange possesses. Let's go over a couple of the features that make Bybit a well-liked choice among traders so that we can better understand why this is the case. Bybit offers a wide variety of trading alternatives, such as perpetual contracts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, and XRP, in addition to many other notable cryptocurrencies. Bybit gives merchants the ability to double the value of their transactions by a factor of up to 100. This suggests that investors can improve their potential profits by trading with more capital than they now possess, if they want to do so. Because its user interface is so straightforward and easy to understand, Bybit is a fantastic choice for inexperienced users. Bybit has one of the lowest trading costs available, with maker and taker fees of 0.025% and 0.075%, respectively. This makes Bybit one of the most competitive trading platforms available. High liquidity. Because Bybit has a high trading volume, it enables traders to buy and sell their assets in a quick and simple manner. Bybit Exchange equips traders with sophisticated trading tools, such as charting and technical analysis, that can help traders make more educated judgments regarding their trading activities. Limitations. The fact that only a specific number of tradable cryptocurrencies are available on the Bybit Exchange platform may be a drawback for traders who are interested in trading a more extensive range of cryptocurrencies. Since Bybit Exchange does not enable deposits or withdrawals of fiat money, this means merchants are unable to acquire cryptocurrencies directly using fiat currency and cannot do so through Bybit Exchange. Because it is not controlled by any government or financial institution, the lack of regulation of Bybit Exchange may cause some merchants concern. Trading on Bybit Exchange involves a significant level of risk because the exchange offers high leverage options. As a result, traders run the danger of losing their entire investment if the market swings in the opposite direction of their predictions. Due to the fact that Bybit Exchange is not available in all countries, the accessibility of the exchange may be limited for certain businesses. The exchange offers several trading alternatives, including high leverage, a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, minimal fees, and robust security. On the other hand, it does not offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, does not support fiat currencies, is not regulated, involves high risk, and is not accessible in all countries. Traders should carefully analyze the aforementioned criteria before deciding whether to conduct their business on Bybit Exchange or any other cryptocurrency exchange. Is it safe? Now let's talk about the security precautions that Bybit has put in place to protect its customers' funds. Bybit stores the majority of its users' assets in what is known as cold storage, which is essentially an offline wallet that is not linked to the internet. Because of this, its vulnerability to theft and hacking has been reduced. Before being allowed access to their accounts, Bybit customers are required to turn on a security measure known as two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds a further barrier to prevent unwanted access to user accounts and serves as an additional layer of security. Bybit maintains an insurance fund to compensate for any financial losses that may be suffered as a result of the company's dissolution or any other unanticipated circumstances. Traders that do their business on the platform might, as a result, have a greater sense of safety. User safety. Bybit ensures that its users will not be victimized in any way while they are using the site, in addition to safeguarding their funds. Bybit has ensured its users' safety by taking the following preventative measures. Bybit mandates that all of its users go through Know Your Customer, KYC, and Anti-Money Laundering, AML, verification before they are allowed to begin conducting transactions on the platform. This helps to prevent fraudulent activities and the laundering of illicit funds. Bybit is committed to protecting the privacy of its customers and will never share any of its sensitive information with a third party. Bybit provides its customers with customer care that is available around the clock, ensuring that any questions or problems are answered as quickly as possible. Bit token. The price of Bit right now is $0.52108, and the volume over the past 24 hours has been $3.53 million. There are presently 1.43 billion BTC coins in circulation, but the total supply can reach a maximum of 9.61 billion BTC coins. Bit is ranked number 66 in terms of its market valuation. Components that affect prices. Some components affect the market and the price of the coin. These include the demand, supply, and general sentiment of buyers and sellers in the cryptocurrency market all have an impact on the price of cryptocurrencies traded on Bybit. The prices of cryptocurrencies traded on Bybit are affected by a number of different factors, some of which are shown below. Demand in the market is a major factor that determines the price of cryptocurrencies, just like it is with other assets. If there is a greater demand for a certain cryptocurrency, then the price of that cryptocurrency will most likely go up. The general sentiment of the cryptocurrency market is another factor that might impact the pricing of cryptocurrencies traded on Bybit. Demand can increase as a result of positive news and events, while demand might fall as a result of negative news and events. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, which means that values are prone to sudden and consistent shifts on a regular basis. Sudden price changes can be caused by a number of factors, including declarations, news, and even rumors. So here was all of it. Let's just wrap up. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and return for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.